What's up guys, shop work today. So we got a 2014 Chevrolet 6.6 Duramax in. This truck's gonna enter our D2 HP package. We've got a Worley Custom Fab intercooler piping bundle on the table. So now we're gonna talk about what is a D2 HP package. So a D2 package, guys, first off, D stands for Duramax. A couple things to get it to our signature D2 HP package. We got two things to provide for the truck. We got fuel. We've got to put on a fast or an air dog truck. That gets your base for the fuel to maximize the CP4 pump or CP3. Next thing, we've got a stock charger in our stage 2 package. We want to maximize the efficiency of it. So we're going to put on a hot side, a cold side, a wide bridge, and of course a colder intake. That way the stock charger can work as hard as it can, but at maximum efficiency. So you're the client, you call in, you've got a tow truck, you've got a daily driving truck, get you to and from work, but you need to maximize your fuel mileage. So a Worley Custom Fab bundle kit is exactly what you would need, as well as a guy wanting to pick up that extra 30 to 50 horsepower from this kit. You've got a colder intake, get all the air we can in, put it through the turbocharger. We've got bigger intercooler pipes, so that way we can flow it through the intercooler, maximizing our air for the fuel that we need. So guys, not only when you pop the hood, you got a cool kit underneath the truck, you get some mileage that comes with it too. Alright guys, so if you've got an LML Duramax, you're looking at our D2 HP package, this would be a kit for you. If you want to go further than that, jump on our website, check out all the packages on there. As an added bonus for watching this video, we're gonna eat the powder coating charge on your next Worley Custom Fab bundle kit. So give us a holler, the number below, get you helped out.